In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Battle.net gift card. Buying a Battle.net gift card is quick and straightforward. Whether you prefer a digital code delivered to your email or a physical card you can pick up in a store. Before you start, there's one important rule. Make sure the gift card's region matches the region of the Battle.net account it will be used on. Region-locked cards won't work across different regions, so double-check that detail on the product page. Begin by opening a trusted store. You can go directly to the official Battle.net shop at battle.net or use reputable retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, or GameStop. On the store's website, use the search bar and type Battle.net gift card or Blizzard balance card. These terms help you find the exact product that adds balance to a Battle.net account. Next, choose the type of card you want. A digital code is the fastest option. It's delivered to your email in minutes, making it perfect for last-minute gifts or immediate use. A physical card is great if you want something tangible to hand over, and you can pick it up at locations such as large retail chains. Just be sure you're choosing the correct type on the product page, since digital and physical versions are often listed separately. Select the amount that fits your needs. Common denominations are $10, $20, $50, and $100. Pick one that aligns with your budget or the purchase you have in mind. Availability can vary by retailer and region, so if one amount is out of stock, try another denomination or a different trusted store. Click Buy or Add to Cart, then proceed to checkout. At this point, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account with the retailer. Creating an account helps with order tracking and delivery. If you're buying a digital code, confirm your email address is correct so the code arrives without delay. Choose your payment method. Most stores accept credit or debit cards, and some also offer PayPal where available. Review your order details carefully, including the region and the total amount, then complete the checkout. After purchase, you'll receive your gift card code either by email for digital orders or on your printed receipt and the physical card packaging for in-store purchases. Keep that code and any receipt safe until you're ready to use or gift it. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your Battle.net balance and happy gaming.